여러분, 안녕하세요. 저는 제이미입니다. Okay, today we're going to do kind of start on our React WordPress project of taking AkibaHadaka, my WordPress website, and getting a front end that's ran by React, or made by React, as I should say. This is going to be a quick start right here. And there's going to be a few things that I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you Frontity framework, which is the framework we're going to use that uses React to build a WordPress front end. I'm going to show you that. I'm going to kind of show you everything's a package in Frontity. It's a little different from just a normal React project, so just be aware of that. Everything's an npm package. I'm going to show you the theme package we're going to work on, and I'm going to show you the settings that we have to change to connect our website to your WordPress site. So if you have a WordPress website, I'll show you everything you need to do just to get started, because I haven't read all the documentation and I'm still reading up on Frontity. So as I got a local project started, I haven't learned how to completely use it yet. So, first thing we need to do is go to your WordPress site, which is going to be AkibaHadaka for me. And I will bring this over right now. AkibaHadaka. So, car stuff and other things that I'm doing. I should be already logged in, but go to the bottom. Oh, I logged out. Log in to your admin user and go to settings on your left hand side of your dashboard. And then under settings, you need to go to permalinks. And under permalink settings, common settings, you want to change it to post name. So this is very important, because without doing this, you're never going to be able to connect your WordPress site, a JSON API, to your Frontity project, and you're going to get really angry. And I'm surprised that, I don't know why all the websites out there, all the tutorials on WordPress API don't talk about permalink settings more often. And I didn't know this, so I was getting really upset. Like, I could get to my JSON file and everything and serve it up using the plain style permalink, using just the normal URL. But I didn't know that you had to change it to this format in order to get it to work. So that's step number one. Change your permalinks to post name. Okay, step two is we're actually going to go to the terminal, and we're going to get started with the Frontity create command. All right, so I got this a little bigger, hopefully. Oh, here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna get out of here wherever I am. I'm gonna keep on going out. I don't know where I am. Okay, so I'm in my directory called programs, and I'm going to run npx, then Frontity, create, and then whatever name you want your project to be. I'm just going to say YouTube and call it Frontity. YouTube Frontity, nice and simple. Press enter, and then it's going to be creating your project. And because we didn't give it any arguments, it's going to ask us a few questions. So it's going to ask you what theme you want to start with. I'm just going to do the recommended Mars theme. And that is a package, by the way. And we're going to wait for it to install dependencies. So today it's not going to be like making any menus or anything like that. It's just going to be getting it started, connecting your WordPress backend to your front end. I'm going to say no for emails. Now let's go into our YouTube Frontity project, and inside, let me clear the terminal and let's do another ls. So inside we have a few things. We have a node modules, so npm packages that you don't touch because they're the ones that you upgrade every so often. And if you're to move your site through like a git commit, git pull, git push, and whatnot, then you're going to have to install those modules anyway. Again, packages are also npm packages, but they're local packages, and they're the packages that you're going to be manipulating using React. And you can kind of think of them as themes or plugins for WordPress. So let's get started here. I'm going to open up my, I guess my IDE, you would call it. I use Atom. I'm going to open up my project. Some programs, and it was called WordPress Frontity. Okay, so we open that up, and let's take a look at it over here. A little bit more convenient to look at it. So here's our packages right here, and we have under packages we have called Mars theme, and we have source, and then we have our index.js. So here's the React part right here. And I'm not going to really get into this stuff yet. In fact, I don't think we're going to do any React stuff today. But you can kind of look through it and see what they have and everything. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to go out of here, outside of the packages, and I'm going to take a look at Frontity settings.js. This is a very important file right here. And this is the file that you have to change in order to connect your WordPress backend to your front end. Let's go back to the terminal because I also need to, I think it's Frontity. I need to serve my site so we can see what we're doing. I think it's serve, Frontity serve. Wait a sec. Let's read the package.json right quick. And it should tell us what we need to do. Okay, so under scripts, we have dev, build, and serve. It is Frontity serve, but it didn't work. Let's try it again. Okay, let's do npm run serve. Okay. Whoa, what's going on here? No, let's go back over there. Let me try to run that using sudo. I mean, you probably don't need to... What in the heck is going on? Why is it doing to me Why is it doing this to me while I'm making a video? Why is it being so weird? Interesting. Okay, that's very weird. Yeah. I'm in the right folder. Well, guys, I don't know what's going on. That's really weird. I mean, there's something that I'm forgetting that is like really, really stupid and really, really simple. And I don't know why. Oh, you know why? You know why? You know what's going on right here? Is I'm already running the command in another window. Okay, let's quit this. Okay, I'm already running it. Okay, you guys will not have this issue. I'm still not doing it. What in the heck is going on? That's very, very weird. Let me look at the documentation right quick. Oh, here we go. And let's just see what it says for getting started. Wait a sec, let's look at CLO. Commands, run commands, dev. Oh, okay. I got it. Okay, I thought that serve was like to serve it as a development server, but I was wrong. Okay, that's really stupid of me. So let's just run dev. npm run dev. That was so stupid. It's not working because you have to build the project before you can run it on a production server because it hasn't built anything yet. Okay, so here we go. I'll probably go back and edit that, cut that part out because I was an idiot and I was wasting my time and your time. Here is the test page right here with some test data. Now we want to put our own data on here. We want it to come from our WordPress site. So let's go back to our Atom editor or whatever IDE you use and go back to the Frontity settings.js that's in the root of your project. And we need to change this right here. So make sure you have your permalinks set up correctly. Put your website in here, akibahadaka.com/word wp-json. Let's see if that works. And do a command S to save. And let's kill our server. And up arrow, run it again, and see what happens. Finished. We already connected everything. We're already finished. It was so simple, except me trying to serve it in production mode, which is really stupid. So next thing we're going to take care of are these links. And basically what you need to do for the links is you'll go to your website and you have your links right here, your pages. So just take them, copy the URL, go back here, copy and paste. Let's call that Civic 8th Gen. Do your command save or your control save, control S, command S, and then we'll go back to the site. We'll refresh. Oops, not that site, this site. Okay, and then that works. So as simple as that, we got it running. The next part we will be doing in the next video, this is just a short getting started video, is I need to actually go in after reading the documentation some more and learn what object I need to gain access to. I think it's source, or it could be Frontity, something, dot, something. I need to do something similar with what I had over here. My pages, they show the actual post that are related to my page, and then I can visit them, and it actually shows a modal. I want to do something similar to this site, but right now it says you're not going to get any of that because that was a WordPress plugin. So we're going to be making a new plugin, a new package, and putting it into Frontity. And I'm going to see how this works. And because I want to keep my plugins and my themes separated from each other, I'm going to try to make my own package. But until then, thank you for sticking with me in this video. Don't forget to change your permalinks. I won't remind you again. And have a nice day.